Hi there, these are the directions for creating a meme using Adobe Spark and then submitting those memes onto the class Padlet via my website. So the first thing you need to do is go to spark.adobe.com and log in. You should have a password. Most people signed in with Google, so you can just make sure that you're signed in to Google Chrome and then just click Login with Google. Otherwise, you need to check the green sheet that I gave you for writing down usernames and passwords and look up your username and password to sign in. Once you're in, you need to allow Adobe offline access. There's no problem with that. It won't do anything to your computer. It takes a minute to load, so just wait for everything to load. When you're ready to start, click the yellow plus sign, and we are going to make posts for our memes. And this does also take a minute. Once you're there, you're just going to go ahead and put in your vocabulary word. I'll use an example word like attrition. And it's important to put the part of speech. This is a noun. Per my instructions, the vocabulary word, part of speech, and definition should all be included on the meme. Then continue. It's just going to give you a random background. If you don't like it, if it's not appropriate, you should change it. The picture for the meme should reflect the meaning of the word. So since attrition means a gradual wearing away, I'm going to go here to photo, and I'm going to say replace, and I'm going to search the photos in Adobe Spark. So I'm just going to search erosion, because that's a similar word. And I am going to use this picture. Now, I'm going to move the text around wherever I want it. If I don't like the way that the text appears, I can go back to theme and try many different themes, and they will pop up. I like this one, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to just move it up to the top. And then for the definition, I'm just going to go over here to the very far right where it says text, and I'm going to add more text. And I'm going to put the definition is a gradual wearing away. And I'm going to pop that in. It's too big, so I'm going to make it smaller. And I don't really like the shape of it, so I'm just going to make it different over here. I'm just going to click on that one. And make it a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Now, that's basically what it should look like. The picture is reflective of the meaning of the definition, and I have the word, part of speech, and definition. So now I'm ready to share. So I'm just going to go up here to the share button, and I'm just going to simply download this image to my computer. Download. And there it goes, and it's now saved to my computer. And in order to upload it to the class Padlet, what you need to do is go then to my website at CC. You can just go to ccusd93.org. Then choose Sonoran Trails from the drop-down menu of schools. And then up here where it says department and grade level, choose 8th grade. I am in the Language Arts Department. I'm Mrs. Niffen. Click on my name. And now you're in my website. Now, for the class Padlet, you need to go to our class tech places and then choose your block. Hayden is in second block, so I'm going to choose that for Hayden. Harrison and Houston are in first block. All right, now that I'm there, I'm going to click on vocabulary memes. Each class, each block has their own Padlet for their memes. And you can see a lot of other classmates have already submitted memes. In order to submit, you can simply go up to the Blackboard part and double click, or you can go to this pink plus sign down here in the bottom and click on that, and it's just going to open up a box here where it says title. You should put your name, and then I would just put something like number 1, number 2 to keep track of how many you've done. And then here where you have these icons, you'll just click on the camera, and then you're going to say upload and choose file. Then you'll go to your downloads since you've downloaded the image. And let's see, I have to find it. There it is. I'm just going to double click on that and it will upload to my Padlet. Takes just a minute. And now if I think it looks okay, I click OK. And I'm all finished. Please let me know if you have any questions.